Assalamu alaikum. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are doing experiment number 7, in which the object is to study the law of refraction and find out the refractive index of glass slab. So the refractive index is a constant value. In this experiment, we find the refractive index of glass slab, which is fixed and constant, which is equals to 1.52. So we get the answer around 1.52, and we check in this experiment is we get the values around 1.52 in any case of glass slab. So doing all these things through experiment, we have to need the apparatus, which is glass slab, drawing board, drawing paper, thumb pins and common pins. But before starting the experiment, we have to know some theory, basic theory. So refraction is simply a phenomena when light passes from one medium to another medium. For example, from air to water, it changes their direction. It separates into two rays. One ray is reflected from the surface, but one ray is passed into the water. So when light pass from one medium to another medium, it change their velocity, and the change of velocity when light pass from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. Laws of refraction. There are two laws. Number 1, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal. At the point of incidence, all these three rays lie on a similar surface. The second law of refraction is the ratio of sine angle of incidence to the sine angle of refraction is equals to some constant value when light passes from one medium to another. Refractive index is the ratio of sine angle of incidence to the sine angle of refraction. It is a constant value for any two medium. For example, for refractive index of water, when light passes from air to water, it's a constant value which is 1.33. Now we start our experiment. We need glass slab. This is a cuboid shaped glass slab. It have 3 dimension X, Y, Z, stationary protector, some common pins, 4 common pins actually, and tape for fix this A4 sheet on drawing board. Now what we have to do, we have to place glass slab in the center and draw an outline. After drawing an outline, we replace this glass slabs and draw a normal in the center of this outline. So now we have to take, this is a normal is actually a line of 90 degree with the surface, which make angle of 90 degree with the surface. Now we give the angle of incidence. For example, I take angle of incidence is equals to 30 degree, so I mark at 30. I will take angle with respect to normal. From normal, I will take angle of incidence equals to 30 degree. Now I draw a line. So now we place again glass slab here and keep 2 pins on this line, just like that. These 2 pins look like a single pin. As you see here, these 2 pins look like a single pin. Now we see the image of these 2 pins through glass slab, and put the third pin. With respect to these two images, I put the third and fourth pin. See here, there are two images we show in the glass slab. Not the images, the two. As you see here, there are two pins you see in the glass slab, and I put the third and fourth pin in a manner all these four pins look like a single pin. As you see now, you see a single pin. So all these four pins is now in a straight line. Now I mark here A, B, C, D. Here I replace the four pins and the last slab and join the and mark A, B, C, D and join these two dots and draw a normal with respect to emergent ray. So now I measure the emergent angle. So as you see here, with respect to normal, my emergent angle is actually equal to 30 degree. From normal, it lie on 30 degree. So you will see that my angle of incident is also equal to 30 degree and angle of emergent is also equal to 30 degree. Now what we have to do? Now what I do, I just extend the incident ray, line of incident ray with the dotted line. I do it for finding lateral shift and join this emergent ray and normal of emergent ray and normal of incident ray to find out angle of refraction and the lateral shift. This is the lateral shift. We measure this lateral shift, which is equals to 1.3 centimeter. So lateral shift 1.3 centimeter. So for the refractive index, we know the formula. Refracting index is equals to sine angle I upon sine angle R. So as you see here, I got the angle of refraction equals to 19 degree. I mark here angle of refraction equals to 19 degree. Formula of refractive index equals to sine angle I upon sine angle R. We give sine angle I, angle of incidence equals to 30 degree and angle of refraction equals to 90 degree. Now I calculate by using calculator sine 30 upon sine 19. So we get approximately 1.53, which is approximately equals to 1.5. So this is our refractive index, which is similar as refractive index of glass slab. Now we will do same procedure for angle of incidence equal to 45, 30 for different angles, and we get the result of refractive index same as 1.5, same or similar to 1.5. After you have done the same experiment for different three angles, you will make observation column and just write all these readings in your observation column and do the calculation and write refractive index for three different angles. There are three refractive index, but they are approximately equal to 1.52. Then take a mean and write the result, make a figure and write the precautions. Thank you.